In this video, we will review the 24-inch media InWall installation process. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, an electric drill, a 3/8 inch drill bit, a countersink, a 1 1/2 inch hole saw, and a level. When planning the rough opening, it is critical to measure from the installed finished floor or account for its eventual depth if it is not yet installed. Prior to positioning the unit, confirm accurate center point location of the electrical and data pigtails as they pass through the left side stud. The hole should be 36 3/4 inches for electrical and 32 inches for data from the top of the lower rough opening frame with an allowable tolerance of 1/4 inch. You will need to have a licensed tradesman make the final electrical and data connections. Remove the included pack of mounting screws and all packing material from the box. Position the unit in front of the rough opening. Hold the unit flush to the wall and check that it is level. While keeping the unit flush against the wall, secure the raised side to the studs through the pre-drilled mounting holes using the two supplied number 8, 2 1/2 inch flathead screws. Then secure the other side with the remaining two number 8 screws. Recheck that the unit is level. Please visit the 24-inch media InWall section of our website to download the full installation manual.